Well, how are you getting on? Welcome to Hoa Lua, just outside Ninh Binh, Vietnam. Gonna climb up to this viewpoint behind me here. Should get some really nice views. Let's go. Five minutes in and I'm dying. Tough going. Okay, so I've made it to the top. Almost beautiful views and 360 degrees. Sensational. Disclaimer, I didn't do anything stupid to get to where I am right now. Didn't risk my life or anything. It's all good. Going down ain't no easy task either. But it's definitely not as hard as coming up. And I mean, look, it's another bride. Congratulations! Everybody is getting married. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
To be fair, this location is just unbeatable. It would be absolutely fantastic to have your wedding photos here, so no wonder there's so many of them here today. Beat Vietnamese coffee. Just let it drip, 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 drip into that condensed milk. And I've got some ice there as well to make it an iced coffee. It's so delicious. I just love it. I can't get over how nice it is. What better way to explore Trang An than on a boat down the rivers? Really, really beautiful, but I'm very sunburned, so I've taken off my top and I'm trying to cover my shoulders. Hopefully that works. About 30 minutes into the trek now, and I am just soaking wet. And I haven't been in the water, by the way, I might add. But this place is beautiful. It's just majestic. Really enjoying this. You have to do this if you come here. Check this out. Going into a very, very low cave right now. Oh my God, so low right now. Literally on the floor of the boat. Oh boy. She's dropped me off at this temple here and she's waiting at the boat. Really, really nice lady. I don't know where she gets the strength from. She's just rowing for ages, and I've rowed before. It takes a lot out of you. It's a very isolated temple. It's in the middle of nowhere and it looks like the only way to get here is by boat because it's surrounded by these massive, massive cliffs. Look at that. Back on our way now, and very important to keep the driver nice and cool, eh? Whew. Time for another cave. This one's much longer than the first one and it's getting dark. But there's a few lights in there. This is really cool. I'm really, really enjoying this. Alright, so I've been dropped off to have a look at Kong Skull Island, some film set. So 100 meters up this way. I left my beater on the little boat, which I really regret because I'm raw meat right now. I'm just so burned. I'm gonna be in agony tomorrow. I literally just realized I've had my umbrella in the side of my bag this whole time. So now I'm utilizing it to block the sun. I feel like a Chinese tourist, but they're very intelligent. Instant shade, I love it. Interesting. Okay, back on the boat. That was kind of interesting, it was cool. I'm not really sure what that film is or familiar with it. Maybe it's a Vietnamese film or something. Anyway, so happy I have this umbrella. I actually think maybe the woman driving the boat or rowing the boat can't even see now, but you know what? I don't care. She's got an umbrella too. Thoroughly enjoyed that. I'm going back to my little scooter now. I'm gonna head back to the hostel. I gave the woman a tip of 100,000. It's worth about €3.50. I don't know is that a good tip or not here, but I mean it could buy her 3 meals, so I think that's pretty good. But comment down below if you disagree. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. €7 for the day with a full tank of petrol. You couldn't go wrong. Dinner back at the hostel with the Frenchies. Garance, how was your meal?
C'est dégueulasse. Disgusting. Disgusting.
And John?
It was fabulous, man. Actually, great time.
And Victor?
Yeah, fucking amazing. I can't believe.
And mine was nice, but the chips were a bit dodge. Alright guys, gonna leave that one here. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, comment down below. The lights are going out here, so I'm off. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. See you real soon. Good luck!